First, let me clear. Am I audible and visible? Anyone confirm? All right. So, first of all, very good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I am Arulapto, your own Gdsc lead for few more minutes, welcoming you all to our last session, our closing ceremony for 23 to 24 term. So, what's today's agenda? Um, Actually, there is no specific agenda for today's session, like we have others in technical session, and this is not going to be a technical teaching session like others. So, what are you going to do? Let's see. So, first of all, we will take a very quick recap of our activities in last 1 year, and then we will have some experience sharing time slot where we core team members will share our experiences, and we will give you the opportunity to share your experience to be a part of this community as a participant. So, okay. So yeah, we started our journey with our first orientation and session for this term 23 to 24, where we disclosed our team and our plans, what are you going to do. And I believe what we discussed during the orientation, around 70 to 80% we matched that plan, right? So yeah, please comment it how much we matched what we said during the orientation if you present on that time. So next, oh, 10 by 10. Yeah, Shomraj, you are the part of the team. So yeah, I'm expecting not 10 by 10, 100 by 10 from you. But what about other participants? So not remember the plan. Yeah, that's the best part. You're definitely going to forward them. And after that orientation, we organized along with some other clubs and communities in RCC and out of RCC our biggest event, the biggest session of the year. And I believe till now, this is the biggest session in RCC about the open source. So it was the event Open Source Safari 2023. Here we have three total speakers, and if I'm not wrong, the total four communities organized this session. It was a 2 days long event. Day one was in the online mode, and day two was in the RCC's auditorium. And around 270 plus participants came to attend this session. So yeah, it was one of our biggest success. And next, we'll make you all guys the happy soul after conducting this cloud study jam and distributing the swag. So I believe many of you got that swag. Even actually, I want to disclose this today. We received around total of 80 swags, but we distributed it around 100 of people. How did we do? Only we know that. And next, before ending the year 2023, we conducted three more events like 4 o'clock talent shift. It was an external community. They organized this coding competition, and we have three winners as well. Next, we have uh, another webinar where Anish and Manish both took the session, and it was in the web development. And if I remember, the React and Next.js, both the front-end technologies were covered in this session. So, Anish or Manish, anyone among you present here? right now. I think Anish, you are present. Sorry, Manish, you are present here, right?
Yes,
If
I
you are
am.
present here, please turn on your mic and share your experience about this session.
Yeah, so it was a pretty good session according to me, but I did expect a lot of more participants and a bit more participation. And I look forward to conducting more sessions in the future as well if I get invited by the next RCC Gdsc members.
Any advice for our juniors you want to give them?
Well, if you are into web dev, just start making projects instead of just going into tutorial hell. That's the only advice I can give right now. And you can reach out to any on one of your seniors anytime. You mistake which we did is we didn't reach out to our seniors and we thought that we could do it alone. But try, like, at least try reaching out to them. You might not know who is doing what in which field. So yeah, that's the thing you can do.
So thank you so much, Manish, for sharing your experiences. And at last, at the end of the year, I'm saying at the end of the year because you can see the session I took. It's on the 30th of December. So before the ending of the year, I took this last session. No, not last session. I took another, but it was the last session for the year of 2023. And here I discuss about the solution challenge. And unfortunately, I did not get much participant for this session. So, yeah, never mind. Just let me know if there are too much background noise or not. Just a minute. Okay. Let me fix it a bit. So next, after starting the new year, we gifted you guys two new webinar. One of them on the Android development, which was taken by Soil, and another one was on the just a minute. I'm very sorry for the interruption, guys. So let's take it forward. And after the new year, 2024, we conducted two more webinars. One of them was taken by Choyon, and it was on the Android development with Kotlin. And the second session, which conducted in the month of February, I mean at the end of February, and it was taken by Ria. So Choyon and Ria, anyone or both of you are present here?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So the same statement for you as I was for the Manish. So share your experience of being a part of Gdsc and as a speaker in this session. And yeah,
But first of all, being a part of Gdsc is itself very rewarding. Uh, I understood what I was capable of. Uh, I mean, this is a very good opportunity for me as a learner and both as a teacher. And it really helped me a lot to gain confidence in mentorship. And as far as the session is concerned, rather, I feel like it was the same as Manish has already answered. Like I also felt like a bit more participation I would have expected. Other than this, any suggestion as of like now for beginners? I would say just don't feel whether you will be interested in that particular domain now or like in a couple of months later. Just start anyway. If something interests you, learn it. Even if you leave it like after many months or maybe a year, you gain some knowledge out of it. So just don't think like you need to master everything in a very short period of time. Take your time, try to read documentation. Like videos are okay, but documentation is the main key. And try to gain as much knowledge as you can. Just don't think like you need to get any internship or you need to get any course done or anything as it is concerned by most of the students. Just take part in hackathons, maybe apply for ML schools conducted by Amazon, and just learn out of it. I would say this: make mistakes and learn something out of it. That's the main key: making mistakes and learning out of it. Yeah, yeah. Over to you. Okay. That's it from my side.
okay, that's a lot, Ria. Thank you for sharing. And next, we will have our offline session during the Tech Tricks, and it was actually the opening of Tech Tricks. It was the orientation session, day one and day two, where we all introduced the Tech Tricks with you all guys. And obviously, it was a collaboration event with RCC Tech, the official coding club of RCC. And yeah, next we conducted two more sessions, and one of them was Road to GDSC program, which was taken by me and the GDSC lead of SNU. And here we guided you guys throughout the process of being the lead, next lead. I think the next lead is going to be declared at the end of August or by the second week of August. So yeah, next lead is coming soon. I'm going to hold very soon. So yeah, this was the session where we guided and share some tips and tricks to be selected. And then we conducted a session, our first session, and unfortunately it was the last one on the Web3 and blockchain. And it was jointly taken by Bartik and Devapom. And here Devapom was our guest speaker. So Bartik and Devapom, are both of you present here?
I am here, but I'm not sure with the account.
Okay, no issues. So, Bartik, same question for you. Share your experience of being the Web3 blockchain lead at our community and your experience as well for being the speaker at this session.
So let me just say it about the session only. So we got a much more interactive session than we expected. To be fair, like we are really impressed by the amount of people showed up and were active during the session. During the session, we tried to make everything more user friendly. So, like blockchain on an itself is a lot to take as a beginner, and we try to make it as simple as possible. But still, that is a huge jargon for lot of people. And yeah, that's it. We really had fun. Discuss, like me and the woman really had fun discussing about the problems what people might face, also solving them during the session. Like yeah, that's it. And like for people who are still now interested in Web3 and blockchain, like uh, if they can always reach out to us, we will always help you guys. And it's blockchain is a
Yeah,
place
and
like you will get money like unexpectedly. So I would suggest everyone to join also. Like even if you're a Web2 dev, like building on doing web dev, you are also welcome here. Yeah, that's it I guess from my side.
okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Karthik, for sharing your experience and advices. And I can just see Devapom just joined our session, and Devapom, we were just talking about you, and unfortunately, you missed that part. So I'm repeating it for you that as you took a session in our platform as a speaker in the Web3 and blockchain session. So I would like to ask you your experience of being a speaker at this platform and taking that session.
Yeah, it was great. It was great. Like having everyone on board and like having interest in Web3. People were interacting with us. I and Bartik, like we were talking like personally also. People were interacting till the end, and the platform was also good. Like we can like handle a large number of like participants, and it like overall it was a good experience.
Okay, and would you like
And
to
good
give
evening, everyone.
specific advice for the new blockchain developers? Those are in the beginning stage.
Yeah, so just grind and build. But everything will get on. Like just grind and build.
Okay, all right, all right. Thank you for sharing your experience. That's a lot. So, and next we conducted the Tekagda, and it was our last official offline event where we gathered three speakers. Two of them were guest speakers, and one of them were very close to our heart, our Bagida. Yeah, we called him Bagida, and he was the past core team member in our previous GDC session. And this event was all about the current scenario in tech field, cybersecurity, and open source and GSOCs all stuffs. So with this, we conducted then our why did not it load? I think there is a technical glitch, so the image does not load. But yeah, it was the last event of our last study jam for this year, the Gen AI study jam, and this event was felicitated by Nasiruddin and Shomujit. So Nasir or Shomujit, anyone among you present here? I guess Nasir was present here.
Yes, I'm present. I am not too sure about Shomojit, whether he joined or not.
Okay, okay, yeah, Nasir. So, what's your experience of being a facilitator for this program?
I mean, short answer would be like it was a fun and amazing experience for me. Long story short, it was to be a new sort of an experience, understanding the concept myself and then teaching it to juniors as well. And definitely, I myself learned many new things during this session. As much I also learned how to like teach those things to other people as well.
All right. And regarding generative AI, which is a very emerging field right now, so what's your suggestion if anyone wants to learn the Gen AI for the development purpose, not for the core machine learning purpose?
I
What's your
mean,
advice
be
for
it
them?
just in any engineering field in general, it will be my advice to everyone: be open to like new ideas, whatever knowledge comes across you, learn from it, take soak it up like a sponge, things like that. Like, don't push away any ideas or any concept. You never know when it might come in handy.
Yeah. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nasir, for sharing this. And
Yeah, thank you.
yeah. Okay, before we listen from you guys, I can see one of my co-team member is present right now, and we missed him. Anish, can you please open your mic and share your experience of being a co-team member of this platform? And I think you were a speaker at one of our sessions. So yeah, we want to listen overall your experience.
Hey, hello everyone. Good evening.
Yeah.
So, let's see what I did. So, my actual session was with Manish, and I took a session on React, mostly yes, on React JS, where we learned how to build a pagination system. Right. So, during taking that event, I actually got exposure to public speaking events. All right. So this actually these events, these entire I can say okay, this entire GDSC events helped me to grow as a public speaker and helped me to contribute more to the open source community. And I'm glad to be a part of the GDSC core team member. And that's all from my side.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And now I would like to be open to our audience, like who participated and joined in our sessions to take some lessons from them. Now, I want some of you to come forward and share your experience of being a part of this community as a member. Like anyone from the audience. Come on, I can see around 30 of people. Uh, no one willing to share their experience. Actually,
Can
just
I
tell
say?
me. Yeah, sure, Rishi, sure.
Yes, I'd like to say that GDSC has really helped me to come
Just
out
a
of my
minute,
shell.
just a minute, Rishi. Before starting, please introduce yourself, like your department and your.
So, so I'm currently a second year in CSC, and I'd like to say that GDSC has really helped me to become more extroverted and to and introduce me to various domains like AIML and blockchain and all that. So I'm really thankful to GDSC. That's all.
Okay, thank you. That was a short but very sweet review from you. And next, I see I have two subco members present here, Shomaraj and Shobnendu here. They were part of our management team for the last year, and they were led by Onkuri. I think she's not present here. So, Shobnendu, can you please share your experience for being a team member of our GTC, and then Shomaraj, I will check for the same.
Hello. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so being the part of the GDSC was always one of my dream. Better to say that mine and Somuraj as well. Both of us were very much pleased to be the team, to be the part of this team. Yeah, made some mistakes, get some scolding from Orvada, and we'll be trying to recover those and come back stronger in the next session. Hopefully, will be the part of the core member because unfortunately me and Bug we didn't get the interview call from GDSC. So yeah, it was a bit bittersweet memory being the part of this team. But again, moving forward with the sweeter ones only. So yeah, learned lots of things and will be applying those learnings in my means in our session in our farm. So that's all from my end. Over to Shomon.
Yeah, so am I audible?
Yes, so much. You're audible.
Okay, so I've been the fan of GDSC RCCIT since my first year. So after Avada became the lead, I really have been the part of the GDSC and it was a dream coming true. So before joining being the part of the GDSC, I never knew so much people. Like I came to know about Manishta and Riyadi and Anishta as well. So to all other seniors and seeking guidance from them to improvise myself, and also seeing Orgoda, his managerial skills and organizing events. So taught me the managerial skills to how to conduct the events, because I hope that I will be connected with GDSC in future so that I can contribute to the community to improve the community experience to all. So that's all from my side, and also thank you GDSC RCCID for giving me this opportunity, and also agree over there that I and Shobnandu did not get the mail. So yeah, that's all. Thank you Arvada and all GDSC mates. Thank you.
Thank you, Shapendo and Shomraj, for sharing your experience. That was great to hear, and sorry to hear as well for not getting it. I hope you guys will do better in your life rather than being the next. Yeah, better opportunities always are awaiting for us.
But we would love to support him as well, or her, whoever it will be.
Okay, all right. So yeah, now it's the high time to share some talented projects. And I think some people are already present among us who want to showcase some of the projects, some cool stuffs, and we are waiting to show them. So yeah, I shared a form, but now I'm not opening the form. I'm just asking you guys to raise your hands who want to showcase their project and present here to showcase the project as well. Can I have some hands?
Shy guys, last year I presented a project here, and after that my public speaking has improved. So maybe it's a break for you. Come on.
Yeah, I can see Rishi. Would you like to show something? Because I think you filled up the form. Okay, Debayut first. Debayut?
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
I would like to showcase my project, which was built for the SBH hackathon, and
All
in
right,
include my.
you can share your screen.
Okay, I am sharing my screen. Is my screen
If you
visible?
want, you can pin Debayut's screen for now. Okay, you can continue.
My screen visible?
Debayut, just a minute before continuing this. I want you to introduce yourself, and if this is a group project or team project, introduce your team name
Okay.
first, then you can continue.
So first of all, I would like to start by saying I am Debayat Basu. I am studying in RCC, and I am a CSE second year student. This was actually a group project that we built for the SBH hackathon that was held in our college in the month of April. My team members were my team lead Rishi Paul, Shreya Shaw, Chandrima Ghosh, and Orno Mondol, and Anirban Mojumdar. We all worked on this project hardly, and we also went to the SBH finals that was held in our college. Now I would like to like demonstrate my project, which was built for NGOs to like rescue animals and be of like it will be more easier to like rescue the animals that are injured on the roadsides. And the tech stack that we used for the project for was React.js, and for the backend we use Django and PostgreSQL for the database. Now can I show my project? Shall I go ahead?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is the homepage of the project, as you can see, and it has got the report button where we can report the animals without logging into the user. Right now I'm logged in into the user, which is my account, Debayat Basu, and also it shows my information, and we can also add we also have the coins, which are important feature of our app, the POS coin, which can be used for more like redeemable gifts and other stuffs. I also have my reports here, which indicates the reports that I have like reported. And I'll just like you to show how to report like animal who is injured. We can add a photo of the injured animal or take a photo which is present on the roadside like this. I'll be adding a photo of an injured animal. And I'll have to enter a landmark. Next. It has also a AI model which predicts what the animal is, like it's a dog, or how many animals are present in there, or in what condition it is. We can also describe the severity of the animal, like how much injured it is. I can take it to be urgent. Next. My contact details are automatically generated here. If I was not logged in, I would have to put in the contact details, but as I am logged in into the account already, so my contact details are automatically present here. And if there is also a learn why we need the data, why we need that information, and now we can submit it. And my report has been submitted, and we can also view the report that has been submitted to the NGO, to the nearest NGO. There is also a volunteering page where you can volunteer for like different campaigns that has been created by the NGO. Like you can see this campaign, every information is given here. You can also press this button to show if you're interested or not interested in the campaign. Here it is already shown interested. I can also I can show interest, and then I'm interested in the campaign, and they will contact me if I want to join that campaign. We have also a donation page where we have donate to us, meaning us, the organization that we have built the app, and also donate to your NGO that you want to donate to. Like I can select this NGO and then donate to it. And this is the page where you can donate, and it will be directed to your UPI account or your net banking account, and you can pay from there directly to the NGO or to us. Okay. Next, we also have a crew page of us, where all our crew details are given, the team members who have worked on this project. Next, I would like to show the NGO side of the project. Let me just log out. Here we have the register page where you can create your account, a user side account, and also we have an NGO page where you can create NGOs can create their account and join with us on the platform. We also take the NGO Darpan ID to like verify if the NGO is real or not. It is not a spam NGO that is pretending to be like joining our platform. It is a real NGO that is registered with the government, and the Darpan ID is verified with the government database. Next, I already have an NGO built, so you just log in into that NGO. I just logged in into the NGO. As I can see, this is the statistics page. As you can see, the number of reports are present. The heat map of the reported animals is also present. It is less cause the reports are less right now. Also the reported animal types, how many animal types have been reported, and the average response time. Also we have the notification bar here where the reports are there, like in progress reports. The NGOs can update, then like the NGOs can update if the report is in progress, if it has been rescued, or it has been, like this is a received page where the report has been received or not. And you can also change from here if it has been like in progress, not found, rescued, or dead. If I just put on rescued on this animal, and you can see that animal is rescued, and the notification will go back to the user that the animal has been rescued from the NGO side. And next we also have the create campaign page where you can where the NGO can create campaigns where that the users can join, or the volunteers on our pages can join. You can upload images, you can give the contact details for the campaign that you are creating, the duration, the age, and other things. And this is the NGO profile page, and the contact details are here. The reports received is here, date joined, the Darpan ID is also given, and the animals supported by the NGO are also given. And also the reports are sent to the nearest NGO available, which we have done by using the Haversign formula. um, and This was it for the project that I will be presenting. Thank you.
I had a question.
Right.
Yeah, over to
Anyone
you.
having any question?
Yeah, sure.
Anyone? Anyone having any question for this project?
Yeah, for the application, what tech stack did you use? Can you please repeat?
We use React.js for front end, Django for the back end, and for the database we used PostgreSQL. And for the building the AI model, we use Microsoft Azure.
Okay. So, did you deploy the backend or you were running from it locally?
Yes, the backend is deployed on Microsoft Azure only.
Okay. So it's a totally full stack project. So
Yeah,
nice.
it's a full stack project.
Loved it. Really. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Devayu, is it an open source project? Like anyone
Yes, it
can
is.
contribute?
It was on the GG World Script open source recently, and some people have worked on this project also, and updated the UI features and other features of the project. It is an open source
Uh,
project.
all right. Is it okay if you can share the repository link here for public review?
My teammate has already shared the link, or no?
Okay. I checked on of shared it. Okay. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for presenting this beautiful presentation. And next, I would like to move forward to Rishi to share his TLDR. I think I pronounced it correctly. TLDR
Yeah.
project.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You can share your screen and introducing yourself and the project members. If it's a group project, you can.
Yeah. So this is a solo project which I built using Next.js and Pinecone database and Fast API. What it basically does is it allows you to upload any PDF you want. So that's why I'm uploading this PDF. It basically allows you to chat with your PDF as if it were a person. So after my PDF is uploaded, let's go to it. I'll basically it will show the PDF here, and then I can basically ask questions from it. Like if I ask what is an array or something, it will basically scan the entire PDF and give me relevant answers. And for storing the PDF, it goes directly to AWS, and I am using retrieval augmented generation, so it does not hallucinate and give wrong answers. So basically that is all. And after you're done talking to it, you can delete it. And I'll be adding some more features to it soon, like a summarization feature. And you can also will be able to upload YouTube videos to it too. And so that is all. Does anyone have questions?
Yes, Rishi. I would love to know that which GenAI model did you use for this? I think you used it, right?
Yeah, I used the Gemini.
Yeah. So can you please share which source did you use?
Which
Source.
source? I'll send you now. I'll directly share my repository. You can check
Yeah.
from.
Rishi, I have a question. Like,
Uh,
Rishi, like, did you use the Gemini API or did you use it from Hugging Face? Like, any model from there or something like that?
I use the Gemini API.
Acha, so okay, okay, nice.
Okay. Okay. That's pretty nice. Yeah.
Yeah, the PDF
Yeah,
is
one suggestion.
uh,
Uh,
the data is taken from the PDF and vector embeddings are created, and then the API, then the Gemini API answers based on the embeddings which got.
Okay. Okay. So the answers are getting generated. Are they getting saved to any database or just they are buffered for some moment?
Yeah, it is being saved in Neon database.
Which database? Can you repeat?
Neon DB.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So yeah, nice. Yes. So for the backend, what did you use?
To generate the vector embeddings, I used Pinecone DB, and for as I said, for the database there is a Neon database, and as such, that is for the backend.
Okay. Okay. So is it open source?
It is public but not open source yet.
Okay. Okay. If you do that, please let me know. I would love to contribute to this
Okay.
project. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. না পাইনকোডে কিছু অনেকটা লিমিট থাকে
Okay, anyone else having any other questions for Rishi?
Like, I have a question. Like, he told that he gets the first the PDF, then it actually converts. Like, Rishi, I have a question for you. Like,
yeah yeah
if I give the PDF, then what will it do first? Like, it will convert it into embeddings, or first the tokenization will take place. Like, I can't understand. Like first the
so first it
tokenization.
will extract the text using OCR, then it
Okay.
will generate the vector embeddings, then it will go to Pinecone database. The vector embeddings will be stored there, then Gemini can read from the embeddings and answer through it.
Like after giving it to the database, then it will actually tokenize it, and then after the
uh,
tokenization, it will Gemini will read it, right?
yes yes
And then after Gemini will produce the output, then you have to again decode the output, right? Using the
hmm.
tokenizer. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
nice. That's a nice thing.
Rishi, one suggestion. You have made a great
Yes.
project. Try to make it on application. On that case, it will be more handy.
uh, can you repeat?
Make,
That wasn't able to hear.
did you make the project on React.js?
No, Next.js.
Okay. So you can make it on React Native now and make a new application or mobile application. So it will be more
I
handy.
haven't learned React Native yet, but if I do, I'll definitely make it.
You are young. Take challenges.
Uh,
Okay, I think all of you are done with questions, right? Yeah, I guess. So yeah, thank you so much, Rishi, for sharing this awesome project. And yeah, I believe this is a great service as well. We can use it in our daily life, at least before the one night before the exam. So thank you for building.
Can you please dump the deployed link here? I would use it to write assignments on it.
yeah, sending it right now.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's. I think we can move forward to our session. And yeah, now this is a high time to participate in the quiz and win the T-shirt, as I mentioned. So, Bartik, are you ready to start the quiz?
Yes, as No, Swapnil just shared a wrong link. That's not the link.
যতই বলুন থাকবি না কিন্তু চলে যাবো
Okay. Oh no, that's okay. Usually I send.
Okay, guys, Bartik has shared the link. You can join now. And after everyone joining, make sure you write in the comment box that you have joined, and then he will start the quiz. And because if you start the quiz, you will not able to join. So yeah, join as soon as possible. Meanwhile, Bartek, you can share your screen and show us the status of the quiz. Is it okay?
Yeah, just give me a moment. I'm sharing the screen.
Not of user not authorized. Bartik, can you just share the joining code and they will go to the direct website and paste the code? Enter the join code here. 380983. This is the joining code.
This should work.
Just go to the quizzes and enter the code. You will get to the dashboard.
Yeah, people start joining. People started joining.
Three participants. Yeah, people have started joining.
Can everyone join with their original links so that we can identify who is it? Who has entered with my name? I even have to join the quiz. Bro, I would get your credit if you by chance come in the top of the list.
Fifteen participants. I can see there are total 30 participants. Join everyone as soon as possible.
I think Orvada, they should see the t-shirt, how it looks. Then they will join.
And they can see me in the meeting. This is the not exactly this one. This is my t-shirt. You are going to get something similar like this. Ekdam ditto copy में.
Yeah, you can see it here. You will get this one.
Everyone join in the quiz by 8:10. We will wait for 4 more minutes, and at 8:15 we will start. I can see someone there, Shomu Raj. Nice abbreviation of Shomu Raj. Shomu Raj at the
Yes,
end, at the end.
yes.
I am participating 3 times from 3 different browsers with 3 identities. I will take 3 t-shirts. Make sure you come in the top 3.
Your tea will be given to charity for user undefined error.
Okay, okay. Let's give it to Orwell and he will give it back to you as a charity.
Thank you. Would love to take it. Okay, 27 participants as of now. One more minute and then we'll start. Okay, Bartik, now I think we can start. Please.
Turn off the music, turn off the music. Okay, finally I am winning, guys. As you can see in the leaderboard, 2 of my identities are winning.
But at what cost?
Bartik, is the quiz done? I can see there is no movement in the
You
leaderboard.
can end the quiz, right?
Are you done? Okay, so who is this? Code wire audio.
We can end the event, right? So we can end the quiz.
I think we tested the
Or should we
speed
wait to
and
few more
accuracy
minutes?
of Google searching.
So yeah, Bartik, who is the winner of this quiz?
Ending the quiz. Then
Winner of this quiz?
Arnab Mandal, I think. He is Arnab, right?
Or no? Code wire or not?
I'm ending the quiz.
Okay, yeah. All right. So yeah, guys,
Okay,
we're
let's see.
done with it.
The first is no.
First is over or no. Okay, we have three top
Let's see the
participants,
second.
but unfortunately, we have only one swag to give you guys. The owner of that T-shirt is going to be. So congratulate him once, guys.
Congratulations Arnab.
Congratulations on
अब कॉलेज में आएंगे पहन के शो ऑफ होगा.
Okay, okay. So now we are done with the quiz, and yeah, congratulations Arno for being at the first position, and also congratulations to Nasir and Swastik for giving him a good competition. And yeah, here we are about to wrap up
Give me your
our
email. I will
event.
send you this. Congratulations.
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Send me this. So yeah, we're at the end of our program, and now we're open for the questions. Any questions you have in your mind to ask us
I have a
regarding any?
question. Who is the next lead? Who is the next lead?
Actually, I even don't know. You are not that definitely sure.
Yeah,
The
definitely.
upcoming leads are not in the meet, I guess.
Yes. Upcoming leads, not upcoming
Yeah,
potential leads.
maybe.
Sorry, my bad. Potential leads. Sorry.
Sound to me good. I mean better. Okay, so any questions, guys? And without so much. Yes, Manish. Situation take wow. Okay, so I think there's no question. Okay, so let's wrap up the event for today. So thank you so much, guys, for joining at our last session and make this very special. And yeah, it was one of the interactive sessions I have done in online mode. Thank you for making it interactive as well, and hope you will show the same enthusiasm with the same energy to the next lead sessions. And I believe the next lead who is going to be he's going to do much more better than you. I wish it. So thank you, and we will end our session with a quick snap. So yeah, I am asking everyone to open their camera. We are going to have a good snapshot.
ভালো ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড খুঁজছি এখন, যেটা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে লাগাবো। অত্যন্ত বাজে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে বসে আছি।
Yeah, sure.
মানিস, তো একটা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড লাগাও প্লিজ। আহ, নাইস।
See Nasida in space.
ভাই মানে নাসিরদাকে দেখে আমার
Out of this world.
মনে পড়ে গেল।
Out of this world.
না, নাসিরদাকে দেখে আমার ইগনাইটাস ট্যাঙ্কের কথা মনে পড়ে গেল। ঈশা বসেছিলেন একটা স্পেসে বাঘের সঙ্গে, বাঘ ইফ ইউ রিমেম্বার।
Yeah, that was a competition, bro. We were in the same team. You were the competitor, bro.
ইয়েস, মানিস দাও মোটামুটি একটা বেশ নিয়ন লাইটিং করে চলে গেছে।
মানিসদাকে তো আমি দেখতেই পাচ্ছি।
ঈশার নাম করতে ঈশাই চলছে।
Okay, others, what about others? Or no, Anirban?
সবাই ভিডিও করে ভাই লিঙ্কডিনে ছাড়বি, স্ক্রিনশট মেরে দেয়, হ্যাঁ কমিউনিটি আজকে।
Yeah, everyone, just open the camera. Show your face once.
এই তো
ওয়াও, more than a neon like
পুরো স্পাইডারম্যান অ্যাক্রস দ্য স্পাইডারভার্স ইউনিভার্স।
That's cyberpunk. Right?
হ্যাঁ বল।
Guys, just a minute. Someone willing to join?
Come on guys, open your camera.
And if someone is our management lead, is going to join now.
Sambit কোথায়? Sambit?
Samit, I think there's a medical emergency that you can call the body.
Yeah, right. I think everyone is becoming ready to open the camera.
Maybe
final touch up.
wait a minute.
ঋষি, অঙ্কিতাদি আর শিবাঙ্গী, তোরা এবং তুমি যদি এটা করে দাও, ওপেন করে দাও, তাহলে আমার স্ক্রিনে সবাই ক্যামেরা ওপেন। ওফ, সোলানা, নাইস।
Solana का ambassador. আরে ঠিক আছে, এখানে অন কর, ছাড়বি যখন আবার স্টিকার নিয়ে নিস।
Bartik, W তো? Yes sir.
এই অর্ণদা মাইক্রোসফটের ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড দেখেছি।
নাইস।
Okay, so I'm going to take the snapshot. Ready?
Only this much people.
Just
Last year it was
more.
Come on guys, why are you being shy?
Okay.
ভয়েস শোনা যাচ্ছে, আমি অনেক বলার চেষ্টা করছি।
Okay, no, okay. এখন কিছু কথা বলা
দিচ্ছি
আমি জানি না তোরা আমার ভয়েস শুনতে পাচ্ছিস কিনা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি একটু বাইরে আছি।
একদম শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা, শোনা যাচ্ছে কি?
না,
একটু পজ লাগ, একটু সিম্পল করি। রেডি প্লিজ? Okay, okay. I have taken the snapshot and thank you মুকুড়ি জয়েন করার জন্য বাইরে থেকে।
সেশন কি মোটামুটি ওভারঅল তো কমপ্লিট আই গেস হয়ে গেছে, বাট আমার ভয়েস কি শোনা আছে? তাহলে আমি লাস্টে 2-3 লাইন একটু কিছু বলে দিতাম।
Yes. বল।
আমি ক্যামেরাটা একটু অফ করছি কারণ বাইরে রয়েছি তো। তো যাই হোক, লাস্ট ইয়ার এই টাইমে আমাদের জাস্ট আমরা জয়েন করেছিলাম, তো দেখতে দেখতে 1 বছর হয়েও গেল। ইট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি নাইস এক্সপিরিয়েন্স। আমি সব থেকে যেটা বেশি বলতে চাইবো সেটা হলো সবাই আমাকে খুব হেল্প করেছে। আমার যারা টিম মেম্বার্সরা ছিল, মানিশ, তারপর বতিক, দেন রিয়া, এটা সবাই, আমরা সবাই একসাথে অনেক ইভেন্টস গুলো পরপর অর্গানাইজ করেছি। প্লাস আমার যারা জুনিয়র যে টিমটা ছিল, আমার সৌমরা, স্বপ্নেন্দু, অমিত, হিরক, এরাও সবসময় আমাকে হেল্প করেছে, সাপোর্ট করেছে। এন্ড ইট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি নাইস এক্সপিরিয়েন্স। মানে কখন যে 1 বছর চলে গেল আমি নিজেও বুঝতে পারিনি। এবার নিউ সেশন আসছে। জানি আমি মাই জুনিয়র্স আর রিয়েলি ক্যাপেবল টু হ্যান্ডেল দিস অর্গানাইজেশন। তো অল দ্য বেস্ট টু এভরিওয়ান। আর বাকি যারা জুনিয়র্সরা আছিস তোরা ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে, মানে ফার্স্ট ইয়ার থেকে এখন যারা সেকেন্ড ইয়ারে উঠলি, প্লাস আরো ফার্স্ট ইয়ার্সরা আসবে, তো তাদের সাথে ব্যাপারটাকে সেম এনগেজিংই রাখিস। আমি জানি তোরা এনগেজিংই রাখবি। তো এই জিনিসটা যেটা স্টার্ট হয়েছে জিডিএসসিটা, এটা যাতে পরপর কন্টিনিউশন যেন থাকে, ব্যাস এটাই। দ্যাটস অল।
একটু আগে স্বপ্নন্দর বলছিল যে তোর বকাটা খুব মিস করবে, কারণ ওকে অনেক
হ্যাঁ, এটা আমি ইনক্লুড করবো। আমি যদি সব থেকে বেশি কাউকে বকা দিয়ে থাকি সেটা স্বপ্নেন্দুই ছিল। আর ইটস ট্রু।
হ্যাঁ, এবারেও তাহলে তুমি থেকো, মানে বকাটা মেনলে মিস গেলে কাজ হবে।
Ever Umkuridi will be shooting for a new role and will be finding some new PD for our new juniors, right?
স্বপ্নেন্দু আকাশে আছিস, পিছনে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড লাগিয়ে। আই গেস এমন কিছু স্বপ্ন করবি না।
আমি মাঠেই আছি।
Bro is from the rivalry company, Microsoft.
Yes, because Google ने मुझे धोखा दिया।
Yeah, that should be from my side also. Yeah, you are right.
No worry, we are open to it.
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, চল সবাইকে বাই। আমি একটু লিভ করছি, আমি বাইরে রয়েছি। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ, বাই গাইস।
Bye. Okay, anyone wanna say something else? আর কারো কিছু বলার আছে?
Anyone wants to convey bye to our lead, Orgoda?
Yes, I want to.
Yes.
Okay, so Orgoda was the মানে কি বলবো আমাদের মানে কি বলবো লিড হওয়ার আগে আমরা করেছিলাম যে অনেক মানে এরকম একটা ব্যাপার ছিল যে কে লিড হবে and Orgoda emerged as a lead. We are really happy and it was very nice to see him growing as a speaker. কারণ অর্গদার যেটা ফার্স্ট সেশন, অর্গদা ওয়াজ রিয়েলি মানে আমি দেখেছিলাম একদম মানে ক্লোজলি ওর সঙ্গে এসেছিলাম দিনটার আগে অবধি। তো মানে কি বলবো, হি ওয়াজ রিয়েলি টেন্স অ্যান্ড আফটার দ্যাট মানে হি হ্যাজ ডান লটস অফ থিংস অ্যান্ড ইট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি গ্রেট। মানে এটা অনেকটা ইন্সপায়ারিং যে নিজেকে কীভাবে অ্যাজ এ স্পিকারও গ্রো করেছে এবং কীভাবে অ্যাজ আ person, as a leader, নিজের গ্রো করেছে। He is really inspiring for us and for the upcoming lead as well. Anything can be done if the challenge is with you. You know how to face it. You can. That's all about. অনেক কিছু শিখলাম, অনেক কিছু ঝামেলাও হলো মাঝখানে, অনেক কিছু হয়েওছে। And let's end it in a sweet note. And obviously next session আসছে, আমরা থাকবো আশা করি জিডিএসসির সঙ্গে অবদান থাকছি। একটা বছর আমাদেরকে গাইড করবে কীভাবে জিনিসপত্র করতে হয় না হয়। And yeah, bidding a goodbye to him and always love you all.
Yeah, so আমিও কিছু অ্যাড করতে চাইবো। That is from my first year, I have been in contact with all of the leads previously. So অর্গদা জিডিএসসিকে এই লাস্ট সেশনে আরও এক ধাপ এগিয়ে নিয়ে গেছে। সত্যি কথা বলতে আমি যখন কলেজে এসেছিলাম এভরি ইয়ার ওয়াজ গুড, বাট অর্গদা সেটাকেও ছাড়িয়ে গিয়ে এবছর ভালো করেছে। অ্যান্ড আই হোপ আমরা এটাকে একটা ইন্সপিরেশন নিয়ে নেক্সট ইয়ার আরও ভালো করতে, মানে যেটা আসছে। অ্যান্ড জিডিএসসি পার্ট থাকি কি না থাকি, it will always be a pleasure if I get invited as a speaker or any kind of facilitator for any event. সো আর জিডিএসসি থেকে সত্যি কথা বলতে আমি সিনিয়র্স পেয়েছি ভালো, অনেক ভালো অপরচুনিটিস পেয়েছি, পিয়ার কানেকশনস পেয়েছি। আমি সবাইকে এটাই বলবো যে পার্ট না হলেও অ্যাটলিস্ট কানেক্ট উইথ আদার্স। ইয়া, দ্যাটস ইট ফ্রম মাই সাইড অ্যান্ড আ ভেরি গুড বাই টু অর্গদা। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর এভরিথিং।
মানে এখনো অবধি মানে এই কজনই আছে, মানে আমাদের ঋষি আছে যে প্রেজেন্ট সেকেন্ড ইয়ার, অনির্বাণ আছে প্রেজেন্ট সেকেন্ড ইয়ার, কাহা আছে। তো আমরা দেখে এসেছি মানে আই ডোন্ট নো হোয়াই বাট জিডিএসসির এনগেজমেন্ট মানে প্রথম দিকে ঠিকঠাক থাকে, যখন নতুন ফার্স্ট ইয়ার আসে আফটার দ্যাট ইট ডিক্লাইনস and we will be trying to address this issue as well. So yeah, তাই ব্যাপার।
আর অলসো আরেকটা জিনিস কি যে এবারে ক্লাউড স্টাডি যে আমি করিয়েছি অর্গদা সমৃদ্ধা মিলে এত ইয়ে করে, আমাদের বেলা ওই অপরচুনিটিটা কোনো কারণে আসে। সো আই থিঙ্ক এঙ্গেজমেন্টটা বাড়া উচিত ছিল। সো ইয়া অর্গদা, ওভার টু ইউ অ্যান্ড লেটস কাম গুড বাই টু আস অল, যেটা আমাদের
আমি অ্যাট লাস্ট একটা কথাই বলবো যে থ্যাংক ইউ এতটা সাপোর্ট করার জন্য। অ্যান্ড স্বপ্ন যেটা বললো যে ওই ফার্স্ট সেশনটা, দ্যাট সেশন বুস্টেড মাই কনফিডেন্স আ লট। অ্যাটলিস্ট জিডিএসসি লিডের ইন্টারভিউর আগে ওই সেশনটা আমি জানি না কতজন পার্টিসিপেন্ট ছিল, আমার এখনো অ্যাকচুয়ালি এক্সাক্ট কাউন্ট মনে নেই, বাট যাই হোক ছিল আমার এখন লাইফে কিছু ব্যাপার হয় না, এরকম পর স্টেপস আমরা এগোতে থাকি। একটা টাইমে গিয়ে পিছনগুলো যখন ডটসগুলো কানেক্ট করি মনে হয় যে আচ্ছা এগুলো কানেক্টেড ছিল। তো এটা ওর আমি একটা ব্যাপার ছিল। আর তোদের থেকেও মানে আমার সমস্ত আদার টিমমেটস আর জুনিয়র্সরা যারা আসিস, তোদের থেকে আমি কমিউনিটি ওয়ার্কটা অনেক বেশি শিখেছি, কারণ কমিউনিটি ওয়ার্কের কোনো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আমার ছিল জিরো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স। আই ওয়াজ গাই উইথ জিরো কমিউনিটি ওয়ার্ক এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, যেখানে আমার ফেলো জিডিএসসি লিডস তারা আরও অনেক বড় কমিউনিটির পার্ট ছিল, তো ক্যাচ আপ করতে তাদের প্রবলেম হয়নি। বাট হ্যাঁ, লাইক আমার ক্যাচ আপটা আমি করতে পেরেছি লাইক নভেম্বর ডিসেম্বর এরম টাইমে গিয়ে। দেন আই থিঙ্ক ওরা বলি যে তারপর থেকে ইভেন্টসের গ্রাফস অনেক বেশি উঠেছে। তো ইয়া, স্বপ্নেন্দু, সৌমরাজ অ্যান্ড মানিশ, বাটেক আর যারা যারা আসিস এমন পর্যন্ত তোদের সবার আমি অনেক কোঅপারেশন পেয়েছি, অনেক হেল্প পেয়েছি। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর বিং দ্য বেস্ট টিমমেটস এভার। অ্যান্ড আই বিলিভ যারা তোরা জুনিয়ার্স আছিস, স্বপ্নেন্দু, সৌমরাজ, প্রীতম, ঋষি, আই থিঙ্ক আর কেউ নেই। তো আই বিলিভ এরপরে নেক্সট যে জিডিএসসি আসুক, অন্য যে ক্লাবসই আসুক, আমরা যে লেভেলে ব্যাপারটাকে তোলার চেষ্টা করেছি বা কিছুটা সাকসেসফুল হয়েছি, আমি অনেস্টলি চাই তোরা এরপর সেই লেভেলটাকে আরো বেশি, ল্যান্ডমার্কটাকে আরো বেশি হাই করে। দ্যাটস মাই উইশ অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস অল। থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ। কিছু বলার নেই। Okay, so chalo, bye for today. Enough for today.
And see you as the GDS lead again. Until next time.
Thank you. Okay. Good night, guys.
Good night.